Hey gang, welcome back to the shop. Today, as a celebration of my 100th subscriber, I'd like to do something a little different and make my contribution to James Wright's tool build-off. So today I'm going to make, out of this scrap, I'm going to make a square and in my next video I'm going to make a marking gauge out of Purple Heart. So make sure you stick around for that one. But today we're going to do the pieces to make a square. So stick around and let's have some fun. Okay. Well, there you go. The finished product. Bottom section here is red oak, and the top section here, the shaft, whatever, is Cocobolo. Cocobolo. Okay, got it out there. So, I hope somebody will get good use out of it. James Wright, this is also going in the mail tomorrow morning, along with the other 2 items I have, which, like a moron, I made the center finding gauge, made it, and then thought about turning on the camera. Duh. So, this one here, it's all finished. I sprayed him with lacquer, and then polished the lacquer down with some steel wool, and put a coat of wax on it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Steve and I are looking forward to your subscriptions. In the future, I'm going to have a question and answer video. I've recently been getting quite a few questions, and I'd like to answer everybody. So if you have any questions, please feel free to send them in. Thank you, and come back next time. We'll have some more fun. Won't we, Steve? Steve said yeah. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.